Hi, Ivan. Do you want to pick a number today? You pick one? Oh. Okay, okay. Hi, Ivan. Let's try again. You pick a number? Come here. Sully, you want to give it another try?
We've had many epic fails today in the ticket picking department. So it's your turn to do it again. Okay? So shuffle those up. Pick one. Pick one. She's like, are there any mealworms in here? Can you pick one out though? Pick one out. Pick one. She's like, but what's in it for me? Come on. Come on, pick one. Do it. Do it. Get it, Rudy, get it. You don't have to talk the whole time. Do you want me to flip down the... Is it too high? Okay, just a second. Pause. All right, back to it. Back to it. Do it. Do it. Come on, get one. Get one. Pull one out. Pull one out. Do it. Oh, which one? Which one did you get? Let's see. Oh, I can't. Good job. Number 34. Yay, Rudy picked number 34. Lucky winner. Congratulations.